Thank you for joining me. I'm glad you are there. Today, I want us to look at physics, the definition of physics. Most times, students tend to get confused, or because they don't understand what physics is all about, they think it is one big thing. So today, I want us to explain what physics is all about. Now, to start with, we said that physics comes from two Greek words. Two Greek words. The first one is physics, meaning nature. And the second one is, and of course, this is a masculine. The feminine word will have E there. Well, let's work with this. Meaning knowledge. Knowledge of nature. Knowledge of nature. Therefore, physics is nothing but the study of the nature, and how it works. Therefore, we can say that physics is all about nature and how it works. It's all about nature and how it works. Now, the things we study in physics are the things studied in physics. Includes, but not limited to, we have energy, we study about energy, we study about force, we study about light, otherwise known as optics. We also study about electricity. We study about electricity. And we study about movements, otherwise known as motion. Just like every other science subject, we have mathematics, we have biology, we have chemistry, we have computer. Now, physics is just a branch of science, and of course, the mathematics and biology and chemistry too, they rely on the laws of physics to perform their calculations and make their predictions. So, having discussed all these things, we can now take a clear definition of physics. We can now take a definition of physics. Now, we can now say that physics is a branch. Physics is a branch of science that deals with the properties, and interaction. Properties and interaction of matter and energy. Now, these properties, they are measurable quantities. Those measurable quantities include the length, the mass, the force, all those things that you can measure. Then we have the interaction here. So we measure the properties and the interaction. Basically, these are the things we study in physics. Now, and of course, we know that matter is anything that has mass and can occupy space. So energy itself is just a conserved quantity. That is why we now say that yes, physics is just a branch of science. It cannot exist on its own. So it's a branch of science that deals with the properties matter, and energy. Branches of physics. We said that physics is divided into so many branches. Now, that is why from time to time, people now diversify. So it's divided into, we have the mechanics, we have the heat, we have sound, we have the optics, we have electricity and magnetism, atomic physics, nuclear physics, plasma physics, and geophysics. Now let's look at why we study physics. So having discussed what physics is all about and then the branches, so let's look at why study physics. And of course, there are lots of reasons why we study physics. So one of the reasons we study physics, one, it helps us understand the universe and how those fundamental laws governing the universe come to be. From the smallest subatomic particles to vast expanse of cosmic structures. Now, it helps us to understand the technological advancement as we move. So it physics drives innovations leading to breakthrough in fields like energy production and the storage, transportation, such as the aircraft, cars, cranes, submarines, and all the rest of them. It also leads to breakthrough in electronics and the computer system. The computer we use today, it is from the knowledge of physics that those computers are built. The medical image and treatment, such as medical ultrasound, X-rays, all of them, they find application in physics. Now, it helps us in improving our daily lives. So we say that physics contributes to materials and new materials and technology. It contributes to understanding and mitigating natural phenomena, such as we have the weather, earthquake, we have a tsunami, all those natural disasters. It helps us understand them and then begin to think of possible ways of reducing the rate of occurrence. Now, it helps us enhance healthcare and research. Now, the fourth reason why we study physics is for economic growth. Physics-based industries drive economic growth, creating job opportunities and stimulating innovation. Now, we also study physics because of its interdisciplinary connection. Most of you want to be engineers tomorrow. Most of you want to be medical doctors tomorrow. But we need to start from a point. So we say that physics is related to other fields of study, such as biology, chemistry, mathematics, computer, etc. and etc. So it helps us better understand the complex systems. Now, the next reason why we study physics is because it helps us address global challenges. It helps us tackle pressing issues like climate change, sustainable energy. This time around, gradually we are moving from the normal fuel we use all to the sustainable energy, such as the renewable energy or the solar energy. Because of this, we drive the knowledge to harness these natural resources. Okay, it helps us in resource management, and then at the same time, how we can protect our environment. There are other aspects, there are other reasons why we study physics. We also study physics because it helps us in making rational choices in problem situations. So there are problem situations that you don't need to start asking your parents or what to do. There, because you have the knowledge of physics, it can help you make rational choice in such a situation. Okay, so this is where we will drop the lesson for the day. Please, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, please. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section, or you can WhatsApp me on the number I'm going to drop on the description down below. Thank you very much.